Hi everyone, this is Brandon, beginner of EDC videos, and here I am here to share with you what this bag or toiletry bag is all about. This is the Aer toiletry bag. I forgot the exact model and brand, but I'll put it somewhere here in the annotation somewhere. So this is made by Aer, which is San Francisco based company, and that's what I know after hearing it from Aaron from the Nomads Nation. Okay, so this is my first purchase from Aer because they're expensive and I'm really not sure if I'm willing to make those payment for something that I will not like. So before I get the Aer City Pack Pro, which I will do a video next time, that's a very awesome bag, so I made this purchase first. So as you can see, the lining is very good material, so it's waterproof, and the zippers are, if you can see, YKK there. As Aaron said, they're top of the line. I'm not sure about that. I don't know any other zippers, but yeah. So let's talk about the exterior. So the exterior, we have something, a pocket here, which I don't know what this is for. I guess you can put the zippers here for like locking mechanism, something like that. I don't know, or maybe a fan, not sure. Yeah, and then the simple Aer branding here, minimal. And we have a pocket here which can contain some items, so I don't have anything right here because I don't know what to put here. We have another of this side pocket here. Can it fit a water bottle? Probably not, but let's try next time. So let's try the side pockets if it can fit water bottles. So here is a bottle, 1 liter bottle. So let's try if it can fit. Definitely not able to fit. Let's try the other one. Yeah, definitely you can fit any water bottle here. So let's try a smaller one. So we have here a can, Bright Light, sponsor us. So 250 ml. So let's try. Damn it, definitely not able. Yeah, so it's not stretchy. Definitely not able to fit it here. So yeah, you can fit in a water bottle here in the side pocket. So let's try an umbrella. Do we have an umbrella? Let's try an umbrella here. So just the same, no, you can put anything here. So if you're looking for a pouch, toiletry pouch that can store water bottles or umbrella here in the side pocket, don't try this. Definitely not. Okay. Then we have another one which has this zipper. This is a zipper with a waterproof zipper. So PU coated. Yeah, that's what I heard. PU coated. And this is supposed to be waterproof like 90% of the time, but down the years this can like break. So if you don't like that, then definitely keep that in mind. And we have this like zipper protection here. I'm not sure why you need this, but yeah. So here, let's open that. And again, I don't have anything to store in the exterior. So we have this top handle here, which is very ideal when you want to bring it, carry it. If you're thinking this could be a tech pouch, yeah, this definitely can be a tech pouch. There's no one stopping you from making this into a tech pouch. Okay, so I'll review what's my tech pouch next time. So as you can see, it opens like this, and you have this very beautiful storage here for the handle, which you can you can hang into those public restroom thing or in the hotel. Yeah, so it's very useful. We like to hang it there. Then we have this awesome mesh here. Very awesome soft mesh. So what I store here is like backup medicines like paracetamol, Cranol S, you know, if you got a upset stomach due to acid from too much coffee. We have Diatabs, you know, for your stomach again. Tuceran Forte, I don't know what that is for. Alaxan FR if you're in need of energy. Yeah, something like that. Consult your doctor first. Then here we have these pockets here, which I use for storing toothbrush. So if you have a long toothbrush like the regular size, then you might want to put it here, but if you use that and that gets wet, so that's going to be a problem. Even though this is waterproof, we still want to, you know, keep this dry to avoid anything like moist or molds, something like that. So I brought this from Muji, or wait, no, Miniso, yeah. And it's has this very cool storage, so if it's wet, you don't want to dry this, then yeah, then you can also transform it like this. So you have a regular size toothbrush. And yeah, so I have another one here. This is backup for my fiance if in case she forgets her toothbrush and she doesn't want to borrow mine. Yeah, so here we go. So it's pink, you know. And here, what do we store here? Yeah, I store here this awesome I forgot again. What is this for? This is mesh something for not soap. Definitely not soap, because you can see there are holes here. So yeah, I forgot what. I just remember that I have this when I opened this. Yeah. So if any of you know what that is for, yeah, try telling me in the comment section. So we have this Aer branding here again. Yeah, so this is the texture, Cordura ballistic fabric. So very top of the line, very strong fabric, so it won't break. You can't easily scratch this. So it's very good. Yeah, so definitely worth the price that you're investing. So yeah, and then I have here the main pocket, some cotton buds, earbuds, some wet wipes, the toothpaste, and you know, sunblock or sunscreen, backup perfume that I got from a wedding, and then of course the mouthwash just in case. So yeah, so this is a good stash, waterproof stash for your soap or anything that can be wet. This is just like the Matador or something, Matador, but that is very much pricey. I think it's pricier than this one. So yeah, so I just got this made in China something, so it definitely holds up to the job. So it has this carabiner, then this locking mechanism, so you can put anything here. So I've tried it. I put wet soap here, then stayed for a month, then yeah, so no leakage. So definitely you want to do it like this, like to fold it like this multiple times, and then don't lock it like this in the same direction. You have to lock it on the opposite, on the other side, so just to make sure that no leakage will happen. So yeah, so I just put it here as well, so definitely fits. So yeah, so we can fit a lot more here, definitely a lot of space. So yeah, so this toiletry bag is very good, so I really recommend it. So I'll put a link on the products, everything here that I can find online, that I bought online, so I'll put it on the description and you guys can check it out. So again, very awesome toiletry bag from Aer.